Assalamu alaikum girls. Today we'll learn toolbox. In this toolbox we have a variety of tools. Let's study them, what they perform. The first one is a freeform select tool is used to select a freeform area. ये हमारे पास जो star है वो हमारे पास freeform select tool है and it is used to select a freeform area. Here is the window of paint and I have installed window 10 and in your book the interface is provided of Windows 7 sorry Windows XP the interface may be different but the tools perform the same thing. आपके पास जो इंटरफेस विंडोज़ एक्सपी में है वो मेरे पास जो विंडो 10 है उसमें इंटरफेस ज़रा डिफरेंट है लेकिन टूल्स बिल्कुल सेम तरीके से काम करते हैं. मैं आपको विंडोज़ 10 से पढ़ा रही हूँ. Here in Windows 10 you have this kind of interface of window MS Paint and in your book uh, it's a kind of this one. यहाँ पे आपके पास टूल बॉक्स हैं एंड here we have different kinds of tools. दोनों का जो है वो पर्पस सेम ही है और दोनों टूल्स जो हैं दोनों इंटरफेसेस में टूल्स एक जैसा काम करते हैं. Let's study what they do. Okay, what do the free form selection tool do? Let's study. ओके तो फ्री फॉर्म सिलेक्शन टूल हमारे पास ये काम करता है कि आप जो भी एरिया रैंडमली सिलेक्ट करते हैं वो रेक्टेंगल के बिना जो है आपने जो भी एरिया सिलेक्ट किया होता है उसको सिलेक्ट कर देता है. लेट्स से अगर आपने जो है इस फॉर्म की सिलेक्शन ली है तो वो उसको सिलेक्ट करके आपको दे देगा और आप उस सिलेक्शन को कहीं भी मूव कर सकते हैं. Next we have a select tool. Select tool is used to select a rectangular area. Okay, यहाँ पे हमारे पास select tool जो हो रहा है when we click on it then we have a rectangular selection. When we select the rectangular portion of any object we can move it at any place. Next we have eraser tool. Eraser tool erases part or all of the picture. If you had did any mistake in your drawing you can erase it by this tool. This is eraser tool. Select this tool and you can erase. First of all you have to click on color by which you want to erase. For example, I have selected white and you can erase that portion which you have done mistakenly. Next we have a fill with color tool is used to fill an enclosed shape with a color. So for filling color you need a shape. Let me make a shape. It's an enclosed shape and if I want to fill some color in it, firstly I have to select fill with color tool. Here is the fill with color tool. I selected this and then I need to select a color for it. I'm selecting here green and now I'll click on this closed shape. When I click on this the color will be filled in this enclosed shape. Next here we have pick tool. Pick tool is used to choose a color from the working area. As here is the pick tool. As its name says pick, so it picks the color from that object. अगर मैंने ये ऑरेंज कलर सिलेक्ट करना है अब अगर देखें आप तो कलर 1 में हमारे पास ग्रीन कलर है. इफ़ यू वांट टू सिलेक्ट दिस कलर then you first need to click on pick color picker tool and after that you need to click on the color which you want to pick. I'm clicking on it. The color 1 is shown orange color. Now if you make any selection or make any object, it will be in orange color. Next we have magnifier tool. Magnifier tool is used to zoom in and get a detailed view of the work. Here we have the magnifier tool. When you click on this you can magnify your object to have a clear view of your object if there are any gaps in between the lines, and you have close view of your object. So next is the pencil tool. Pencil tool is used to draw thin wavy lines. Here we have the pencil tool. Click on the pencil tool and you can make freehand lines, thin freehand lines. Next we have brush tool. Brush tool is used to draw lines of different thickness. Here is the brush tool. You can click on this and have different variety of brushes. First, and you can see there are different widths of brushes and different categories. For example, here we have a spray type brush. So there are different widths and different styles of brushes provided here. Next is airbrush tool. Airbrush tool creates a spray pattern. So here is the airbrush tool, and what it does, it makes a spray like structure on your screen. Next is a text tool. Text tool creates a text frame in which you can type text. This A button gives you an area where you can type your text. Here you can type any text you want. Line tool is used to draw straight lines of different thickness. यहाँ लाइन टूल है. लाइन टूल पे जब आप क्लिक करेंगे तो आप स्ट्रेट लाइंस बना सकते हैं इसके थ्रू. Next we have a curve tool. Curve tool is used to draw curves, lines of different thickness. Besides a straight line, you have a curve tool option. You can make curved lines like this way. So rectangle tool is used to make rectangles. Here is the rectangle tool, and here is the polygon tool. Polygon tool is used to draw different types of polygon. Next is ellipse tool. Ellipse tool is used to make ellipses, and a rounded rectangle tool is used to draw rectangles with rounded corners. So here are different shapes provided. We have studied ellipse tool. You can make elliptical shapes using this tool. Next we have a polygon tool. Here is the polygon tool. Using this tool you can make different types of polygons. Next is rectangular, rounded rectangle tool. You can make a rounded rectangle tool which has corners rounded like this way. So this is the overview of all the tools provided in the toolbox. Please learn and practice in your computer. Thank you.